usachema wanasikana unesimba umuntle wakanaka usachema oh usachema. What gives me the strength to have my body kissed by the sun when sometimes all I want to do is die? You see, sometimes I'm not strong enough to be weak before myself, lay my heart as an offering to my future self, the woman I shall become. So don't worship me because I am not yet a queen, but perhaps that's the greatest ideal of royalty, not realizing your own strength. You see, I've been used. Thoughts frayed at the edges, but I reclaim myself in the arms of my sisters whose words glue me back together again, and though my fingers bleed, still I pray on. In my years I have known incredible joy, but I've also known pain. My lips have been bruised, my heart has been bruised, my mind has been bruised, but I am still here. I am still here, standing tall, beautiful and free. So don't pity me because the width of my thighs don't measure up to your predictions of beauty. You see, I was eulogized before my birth. They named rivers after me to wash away your spit and your filth. You see, you don't scare me. I am a Black Panther, can't you see? When you look at me, I will send incantations of ancestral sounds, and I'll blaspheme with the rhythm of my native tongue. And don't dare ask me to translate. My feet. The soles of my feet are not soft like maiden hands that sleep in gloves. The soles of my feet are thick with my story. And my skin has scars, patchwork quilt of memories, and even though the wounds have healed, still there's an aching where they tore at me. You see, I wanted to hang the skin I'm in, put it up for auction to the highest bidder so I could get rid of myself. I wanted to hang the skin I'm in, put it up for auction to the highest bidder so I could get rid of myself. But I changed my mind. I changed my mind. I love myself. I love myself, realizing that there's only one woman worthy of being me, only one woman worthy of telling my story. So take me as I am. Take me as I am, scars, bruised lips, broken heart, courage, faith, strength, dreams, womb level, they grow. And as they grow, so do we, when we truly celebrate the she in we. True queens, royalty.